welcome to Utkarsh Minds Python for Data Science. Today we will see one more important library of Python for data science called Pandas. Since it is in Python, we will open our notebook collab.research.google.com and click on new notebook. Give it the name lesson 15. So first import the library Pandas, then we import the library NumPy. These are the two libraries we will need. First we will have to create some random variables, and you know the name NumPy dot linspace, and in this NumPy dot linspace we can have something like this. So this will create an array of some 11 different points from 0 to 10 like this. Let us see how we can store this in the data frame. So there is a function in Pandas, data frame, and in this we can store our values numpy.random. So I am generating NumPy matrix of 10 rows, 4 columns. I am naming the columns A, B, C, D, and that's it. I am displaying. So you have here A, B, C, D as the 4 columns. Here we have all the data. Earlier what we had as a NumPy array, we now have as a data frame. So we can check what is the type of this using the type command. It will give you a Pandas data frame. We can also check the shape of this, which gives us 10 rows and 4 columns. So we can always select a single column from this, such as column A. So we have selected one column and the name is A, data is float 32, float 64. If we want a data frame, then we have to write in double brackets like this. So here you get a data frame. This above thing is called a Pandas series. These are two different things. Even the way they are organized is different. You can see this is in the form of table. For that you have to write double brackets. If you write single brackets, it is not a table, it is a series. We can have something like this. We can select multiple rows, let us say A, and then we can also select B. So that gives us like this. What we can do also is using the dot operator, select, that gives us the series like this. So we can create a new row. For example, in the data frame we can also do some mathematical operations. Let us say we want A plus B, then that will come like this. We can write data frame A plus data frame, we can write B. And now when you display the data frame, what will happen? You should see 5 columns. The fifth one is A plus B, which is the new column. One more important function in data frame is the drop function. So if we want to drop some rows, let us say you want to drop column A plus B. So you have to just add here axis. Axis is columns because you want to drop a column. You can see that the column is dropped. However, if I print this data frame again, you will find that the column exists. This is because I did not save it. So I should have saved it. I will take this, create here that I want the result of this operation to be saved in this variable. So now I have saved it, and now you can see that there are 4 columns and all of them have data. Next, there is one way we can minimize the use of coding. Here we can write an argument in place equal to true. So that avoids us to save the data separately. But now a plus b is already deleted. I will have to delete some other row, which will be row A. There is some certain keywords which you can use if you want certain columns from the data frame. So let us say you want, there is this LOC. So let us say you want the column A, which does not exist. So I will say column B, which is not there, because LOC indexes the rows. So this has to be like this, and it will give us the row, this row. You can also retrieve the row by iloc. Iloc is for index, and LOC is for the name of the index. But here the index does not have any separate name, so that is why there is same result from loc and iloc. But there are some examples I can show you where loc and iloc give different results. Maybe if I take this example, let us say I want all the rows and I want the column B. So you see I have got the column B. There is one more way I can do, dot iloc. There is all the rows and the column 0. The 0 is not there in the index, so this did not retrieve. It is okay, we will see some other example, but this is how we used rows and columns, all the rows and only one column, which is B. We can do one more thing here. Let us say we only want the rows from 0 to 5, 0 to 6, but not including 6. So I can write like this. So I've got from 0, but this has included 6 also. So that is how this iloc and loc are working to retrieve data from a data frame. We will see more uses of data frames in the next video. Thank you.